Why does your heart make noise? Well, when you go to the doctor, they use something called a stethoscope to be able to listen. So if you put the stethoscope on, one of the things I can do is actually hear how your heart is beating. So if we put the stethoscope over our heart, we begin to hear sounds that sound something like lub-dub, lub-dub. And what is making that sound? Well, in your heart, there are 4 chambers, and between each of those rooms, in a sense, there are flaps that are called valves. And those valves keep blood flowing in one direction so it doesn't back up into the heart. If your first sound, the lub, that's the closing of the valves between the upper and lower chambers. And then the dub is the closing of the valves that are going out of the heart. So it's really important that these valves slam shut completely, and you can hear that in the stethoscope because there's no blood whooshing through. So when your doctor listens, they're checking to see, is your heart strong and are your valves working?